Welcome to this video on the Extreme Event Analysis tool in SimClim 4.0 for desktop. In this case, we're going to use an example of extreme rainfall. First thing you need to do is locate the Extreme Analysis tool bar icon and click on that. It'll open up the tool for you. You can expand this window a little bit. You can again choose your data site by clicking around and zooming in on a particular area, clicking on the data site that you may be interested in. You can search for it like you could in a data browser by putting its name in here. As we see, Brisbane arrow here, or you can simply start typing. If you know the name of the site, and you're available and ready to run there. It's picked up the Brisbane arrow here. Up. And then we can choose the month. We'll select all because we want to look at the extreme events over an entire year. Again, you can choose various months or groups of months for seasons. It's up to you. Let's look at precipitation. Click on the precipitation tab. Let's just look at 1 day of rainfall. You can look at 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, but let's just focus on 1 day now. And we're looking at the extreme high rainfall. We're looking at the baseline. 1995 is the baseline. All we need to do at this point, when the records we currently have in this for this site run from 1949 to 2000, and we click on Run. And there we go. We have a very quick analysis, and we see that the extreme event value is 307 millimeters, and that has a return period of 108 years. Let's run a scenario. We choose daily GCM-GEV value change. Go OK. Let's look at the year 2050. You can toggle up or down or wherever you want to go up to 2100. And then you can do select all. So we run an ensemble of daily GCM patterns against this data. And we've chosen an RCP of 8.5 with a medium sensitivity or mid sensitivity. We click on OK and click on Run. And now it is processing that data, and we have the analysis available to us. So we can compare now that 307 millimeter event becomes instead of a 1 in 108 year event, becomes a 67.25 year return period event. If we want to see what the 100-year event would be looking like by 2050, we can just change this to 100 for the return period, and you get 330.37 millimeters. It's quite handy to have a table to review this data, and here it is here. You can edit this. Say you want more than, this is a default here, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, and 100-year return periods. Say you want a 200-year return period and a 500-year return period. Simply type those in and they will provide you with that data. So that's the GCM data. You can compare back against the baseline data by clicking here, and you see that 2-year event becomes a 1.8-year event. That 500-year event becomes a 224.7-year event in 2050. And you can see again the change in the return periods. And the values change as well. But there you go. There's a very quick review of extreme precipitation analysis using the Extreme Analysis tool within SimClim 4.0 for desktop. We'll do further examples using temperature, and you can also use multiple day. Thank you.